Hello everyone. After today working a lot, that you can see in the 4 videos before, I feel better with this work. The Srt4 2005 is finished without buying anything. I just have to pay for the piece of metal that I have to make for the fork 3 and 4 shift. Let's see what was the result. You don't need to buy, remember, the extender shift 1, 3, 5. You don't need to buy the other extended shift 2, 4 and reverse. Just ask me, write me what you want to do, call me, and I explain detail for details what you have to do. In the other video I explain 1 millimeters the stock I have to cut. I have to reveal a little bit, and the other one for make for expecting the tolerance that we need in each fork. Let's see. Okay. Number 1, soft, very soft. Number 2, soft. Number 3, soft. Number 4, super soft. Number 5, and reverse. So what happened here? Okay, you can feel here between each shift 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and reverse a little bit more extended, a little bit, just like this one, 2 millimeters in the stick. 2, 3, 4, 5 and reverse, and I feel that my work, that you can make this kind of work, you expecting in going to have a very nice results. Called extending number 1 cost almost $170. The second one $120. The fork 3/4 $300.50, almost $700. My cost for this work, 2 long days working a lot. That's all. You don't have to buy anything. With the same thing you can do it. So guys, hi everybody, see you soon. Thanks a lot.